Welcome and thank you for joining us. Embrace the new day. It belongs to you. This is what you will learn here in this webinar. 1. What Onpassive is. 2. Who is in charge. 3. What the Onpassive product is. 4. Why our product is needed. 5. The opportunity currently available. 6. What the benefits are. 7. The founder opportunity. So, what exactly is Onpassive? Very real. Located in India and Florida, it's an internet business, brick and mortar assets, online marketing business solution. Reach for the stars. Mr. Ash Mufarah, MIT, founder, CEO of Onpassive. He's a family man with a wife and kids, 20 years in online business, Master of Information Technology and E-commerce, MIT, attended Harvard University to learn specifically about online business creation. Onpassive's product, no recruiting or converting leads, can guarantee traffic. It's self-funding. It's all done for you. Every imaginable tool for success, all easily accessible in one place. No copycat or recycled tech, and it's the lowest price anywhere on the globe. Onpassive Product Portfolio 2021. Academy, a one-of-a-kind application for learners of all ages. Bless, a community to support good causes and ideas. Shop, a community to support an online shop to design your brand stationery. Staff, automate your resource management. Mail, a personal business email tool with an organizer. Connect, a hassle-free audio-video communication tool. Counting, simplify your inventory and account management accounting. Trim, shorten, customize, and share links with ease. Post, an email marketing tool for your bulk email campaigns. Wallet, a dedicated wallet for Onpassive products. Net, a revolutionary and secure social networking platform. Tracker, track and trace IP addresses so you know who is visiting your website. Capture, an image capturing and video recording tool with full editing features. Create, an AI-powered website builder that makes creating and developing a website you want easy. Chat, a web chat engine to improve every customer interaction. Peer, an international communication tool to improve performance for businesses. Virtual, a professional VPN service to encryption of data and networking accounts. DIT, a picture and video tools to help create them more appealing to viewers. Lead, intuitive and scalable CRM application to generate leads, close deals, and grow your business. Domain, a domain registration and web hosting platform. Example of competitors. Note, there are multiple companies. A unique approach to video marketing. Broadcast quality videos. Intelligent video formats. User-friendly interface. Easy to share. Prioritizing target audience success. Let's think about these benefits. A fund solution for any cause. Immediate payment. Unlimited residual income is paid daily. Top marketing automation done for you. Guaranteed visitors and signups. Breakthrough products for the automation of financial freedom. And a lot more. This is one of my favorite quotes. If someone offers you an amazing opportunity but you're not sure that you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Richard Branson. Our new model is unique because we provide a platform to those with business so they can become more successful. We provide to those that have no business or success in online marketing a plug-and-play system that guarantees their success. We seek to help them obtain abundance. Why do we need this? Let's compare lists. Current internet model. and then the Onpassive new model. Based on competition and conflict, based on mutual benefit. 97% are scams, real business, real products, real people. Turn into money pits. Self-funding, pays you to use it. Requires selling. Marketer does not sell. Requires recruiting. Marketer does not recruit. Tools are obtained separately. Every tool needed for success included. No guarantees. All tools included, one low price. Pits marketers against each other. 100% lifetime money-back guarantee. Compensation based on own efforts. Marketers compete only with themselves. Onpassive is a revolutionary breakthrough compensation plan. Everybody in the near future will use something from Onpassive, whether they come for the money or for the tools, benefits, connections, or communication. They will have a reason to come to Onpassive. You have residual bills, why not have residual income? How artificial intelligence, AI, is changing the world of digital marketing. The future is here. Our system effortlessly builds your team and grows your business, provides unlimited rotators, fresh websites and destination pages, automatically sends traffic to your sites, seamless reviews, converts, and joins for you, developed using artificial intelligence. Onpassive's journey to more than 570,000 plus founders. Advantages of the founder. Exclusive access to the GoFounders site. Early access. Priority positioning. Member of the inner circle. Beta test, ideas and roundtable, plus much more. It's time to completely run your whole business on autopilot. Autopilot advertising, autopilot marketing, autopilot leads, autopilot signups, autopilot recruiting, autopilot team building, autopilot any business opportunity. Yes, autopilot everything. Yes, it automates your existing business and provides a massive income opportunity by simply using this breakthrough platform. 100% risk-free, guaranteed. Thank you for joining us to learn more about this opportunity. You are in it to win it.